Hey there, it's Ishi here in the garden. It's time for a checkup, and I want to share with you all. If you would just take a look and you see, look at what I have in there: forks and more forks. Just walking through the garden and doing a check-in. You see all these forks down in the soil here of my tomato plant. Yes, yes, yes. And I have forks here in the avocado plant. Plants are doing good. Yep, they're looking good, looking good. And then we're gonna come over here. This is just a quick check-in so you can see the growth. There we have green peppers back there. We have spinach, beets, kale. Everything's doing what it's supposed to do. It's growing, it's growing. Look at this beautiful, beautiful dragon fruit. Dragon fruit plant is gorgeous. Look at there. Yes, it is just growing crazy. It's just growing, growing, growing. I tell you, I love it. Tomatoes, I have harvested some of the tomatoes off, and they are steady turning ripe. We'll be able to take some more off. I counted about 45 tomatoes on there. And then here's the little tomato plant growing. But what you see, there's a fork there. There's a fork there. Blueberry plant. Look at that, it's growing nicely, going up the trellis. You remember vertical garden, that's what it is, and it's just growing on up there. And let's see what these grapes are looking like. Grapes are growing. I had some issues with them at first. A lot of ants was trying to take over, but they seem to be growing. And I covered this one in the mesh bag. Steady growing. All right, looking good. Here's my leaf of life plant. And look at that, growing beautiful. Just growing, 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 look at there. But why do I see forks in all of my plants? I'm gonna tell you in a little bit, so don't go away. That's right, I will tell you why we have the forks. This avocado tree is growing nicely, look at there. Yes. And then we're gonna zoom in. If you look right here, that is the papaya tree. It's regrowing, and I love it. I almost thought those were weeds in there, and I was about to cut them off, but that's new growth. We're gonna continue to see what it does.